And it's really easy to see why. For the first time ever, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and crypto more generally were all mentioned in an American presidential primary debate. In fact, the Republican presidential candidate, Vivek Ramaswamy, was specifically asked about crypto. He is one of the few candidates to specifically make crypto part of his campaign, even accepting donations in BTC. The fact that Vivek pulled out of the contest in mid-January doesn't take away from the fact that crypto being mentioned in the presidential debate is further evidence that it is coming into the mainstream. That said, it's unlikely that crypto will feature prominently as the presidential election race tightens. Pundits and polls suggest the election will be a rerun of 2020, with Joe Biden squaring off against Donald Trump. Neither man is particularly vocal about crypto. For his part, Biden's administration has expressed concerns about the risks associated with cryptocurrencies, such as consumer and investor protection, financial stability, illicit finance, and the environment, among other things. But his administration's position is more cautious than hostile. He has not been outwardly opposed to crypto. Trump's position, on the other hand, appears to have evolved over the years. In 2019, he tweeted, and I quote, "I am not a fan of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, which are not many and whose value is highly volatile and based on thin air." But his position on crypto and related technologies appears to have softened since. In December 2022 and April 2023, he released NFT trading cards of himself, which raised millions of dollars. Earlier this year, Trump went as far as to announce during a campaign speech that if he became president again, he will, and I quote, "never allow the creation of a central bank digital currency by the Fed." It's up for debate if these moves were ideological, U-turns, or more of a pragmatic shift. But crypto isn't top priority for either man, and so the election of one over the other is unlikely to dramatically impact the crypto market. In fact, if we look at the 2020 election, which was also between Biden and Trump, as well as the 2016 election, this comes out clearly.